how to add or embed YouTube video on your WIX site. So right here on your WIX site, you can just choose to add section, or you can choose any place that you want your YouTube video to be in there. For example, I want my YouTube video to be in this section, and you can click on it. After that, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then click on add elements right here. And then here on add elements, you can just choose on video and music. And then on single video players, you want to choose on YouTube right here. You can just click on it. And then right here, you can customize your YouTube video size. You can make it larger. And you can also drag around the section that you have prepared before. And then after that, you can just choose on change video right here. You can click on it. And then you can search videos that you want to be embedded or add to your YouTube videos. For example, I want to search for camera and then click on search. Or if you already find the video, you can just copy the link of it and then paste it right here on what's the video web address. You can do a right click on it and then choose on paste. And then to make your YouTube video to be autoplay in your WIX site, on the playback options on autoplays and plays in loop, you can turn on these two settings to make your video autoplay. And you can also leave it turning off if you don't want the YouTube video to be autoplay. And then after that, you can also add the video description. And then choose this layout right here. And then if you choose on hover, then the visitor of your site can pause or mute the video if their cursor is on top of the video like this one. Or you can just turn it off by click on never. I recommend use on hover. And then you can also customize the design and the animation of the YouTube video, but I don't really recommend you to do it, just in case it will ruin the video of the YouTube. And then after that, you can click on publish right here at the very top right of your screen. And then after that, if I go to my website and then hit the refresh button at my browser, and if I scroll down right here, you can see the YouTube video is being autoplay right here. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.